Take a ride in the 2023 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, 8 speakers, compass. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.